Good morning and assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Welcome back to the maths class. Okay, class, tell me what is the day today? Today is Wednesday. And which day today? 20th of January 2021. What is the weather like today? Sunny day. Today is sunny day. Okay, let's start our day with numbers. Okay, tell me which number is this? 1 and 1, 11. 1 and 1, 11. What comes after 11? 12. 1 and 2, 12. 1 and 2, 12. What comes after 12? 13. 1 and 3, 13. 1 and 3, 13. What comes after 13? 14. 1 and 4, 14. And what comes after 14? 15. 1 and 5, 15. What comes after 15? Number 16. 1 and 6, 16. And which number is this? 17. 1 and 7, 17. Which number is this? 18. 1 and 8, 18. And what comes after 18? 19. 1 and 9, 19. What comes after 19? 20. 2 and 0, 20. 2 and 0, 20. Okay, class. Today we will do the count and write. Our topic is count and write. Okay, class, let's come to the activity. I am having some objects in basket and I have 4 glass. Okay, tell me which number is this? Number 2. Which number is this? Number 2. Okay, and I have 2 paints. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Okay, and tell me which number is this? 3. Okay, let's count the pencils. 1, 2, and 3. And tell me which number is this? Number 6. Okay, we will count the spoons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 spoons. And tell me which number is this? Number 7. Which number is this? Number 7. And we have 7 colors. So let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 colors. Okay, class, must try this activity at your home. Open your notebook. Today is Wednesday, 20th of January 2021. Our topic is count and write. So let's start counting. Count from here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I have 4 cakes. So we will write number 4 in box. Good. Okay. Now we will count the balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And we will write number 7 in this box like this. Okay, tell me what is this? What are these? These are birthday caps. So let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 birthday caps and we will write number 5 in box. Slipping line, slanting line, and then makes a curve. Okay, and tell me what are these? These are stars. Okay, now we will start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And we will write number 12 in box. like this. Okay, and what are these? These are sparrows. Okay, start counting from here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and write number 10 in this box. And tell me, what are these? These are ladybirds. Okay, start counting. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 and 16. 1 and 6 16. 1 and 6 16. Okay class, do coloring in this pasting and also recognize these numbers and send me your feedback. Okay class, thank you and Allah Hafiz.